Hello and welcome to our video on what you need to know before switching to a vegetarian diet. Are you considering a vegetarian diet? Maybe you're looking for a healthier lifestyle, or perhaps you're concerned about the environmental impact of meat consumption. Whatever your reasons, it's important to understand the potential challenges and benefits of a vegetarian diet, and how to make the transition successfully. First, let's talk about some of the potential issues you may face as a vegetarian. One of the biggest concerns is getting enough essential nutrients like zinc, vitamin B, and iron, which are commonly found in meat, poultry, or fish. If you're not careful, you may experience hair loss, mood problems, or other health issues. But don't worry, with a little planning and attention to nutrition, a vegetarian diet can be incredibly healthy and fulfilling. In fact, studies have shown that a plant-based diet can reduce the risk of heart disease by 25% and lower the likelihood of developing type 2 diabetes by over 2 times. So, how can you make the transition to a healthy vegetarian diet? Here are some tips. Consult a doctor before making any significant changes to your diet. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. They can help you identify any potential nutrient deficiencies and provide personalized recommendations. Ensure protein intake. Protein is essential for a healthy diet, and there are plenty of plant-based sources to choose from. Almonds, kale, soy, broccoli, and beans are all great options. Avoid junk food. Just because you're a vegetarian doesn't mean you can eat unhealthy foods. Avoid processed and high-sugar options, and focus on whole, nutritious foods. Quality matters. When it comes to a plant-based diet, quality is key. Focus on high-quality fruits, veggies, nuts, and whole grains. Diversify your diet. Don't get stuck in a rut of eating the same foods every day. Experiment with a variety of plant-based options to keep your diet interesting and enjoyable. But wait, there's a caveat. Even as a vegetarian, you need to watch out for junk food. Popcorn, for example, may be a tasty snack, but it's not a healthy choice. So, to summarize, the key to a successful vegetarian diet is quality over restriction. Focus on high-quality plant-based foods, and diversify your diet to ensure you're getting all the nutrients you need. With a little planning and attention to nutrition, you can enjoy a healthy, fulfilling vegetarian lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.